Precision agriculture has emerged as a key innovation in agri-tech, leveraging imagery data from satellites and drones to create detailed prescription maps. These maps allow farmers to make precise land management decisions by integrating data on crop type, terrain, and soil, among other factors. Prescription maps are mainly derived from satellite imagery, enhanced by drone data in cases where cloud cover impedes satellite visibility. This is crucial during critical growing periods when decisions need to be swift. The Pléiades Neo constellation by Airbus represents a significant advancement in the field, offering 30 centimeters native resolution and promising frequent global revisits post-launch. This enhances the monitoring of large crops and high-value plantations like vineyards and olive orchards, where identifying individual plant health is vital, especially under conditions like drought. Furthermore, Pléiades Neo's higher resolution aids in crop trial analyses and is beneficial in regions with narrow fields, where traditional satellite pixel sizes lead to higher error rates. Spectral resolution is equally important, with Pléiades Neo introducing new spectral bands that go beyond traditional indices like NDVI, enabling more accurate crop health assessments through advanced indices. The red edge band, for instance, allows for better chlorophyll content measurement, crucial for precise agricultural interventions. While drone data offers high resolution, it faces challenges in data reliability due to the difficulty in sensor calibration under varying weather conditions. Pléiades Neo's combination of high spatial and spectral resolution, alongside its capability for frequent revisits, positions it as a superior alternative to both lower resolution satellites and drones. This constellation not only ensures the precision and timeliness of data, but also represents a cost-effective solution for extensive agricultural monitoring. Discover the future of Earth observation with the new Pléiades Neo constellation. Explore the details on the Geoawesome blog.